Okay, so let's take a look at how we use the Choice Eliminator add-on to remove choices once they've been selected by somebody who's taken the form. So, I got a little please enter your name, please enter your email, but down here, I've got a list of 50 states, and I say, hey, if you had to move, where would you move? Well, all you have to do is go over here and say, hey, I want to get me some add-ons. And once you select Choice Eliminator, it'll be here in your add-ons drop-down list. So I'm going with Choice Eliminator here, and I'm going to launch that. It's going to go, hey, do you want to configure it? And say, yes, I do. I think it's going to first just ask me, which question do you want to use Choice Eliminator on? And there you go. It's popped up this little sidebar here. It says select the question title to enable and disable elimination. So if you had to move to another state, that's the question that we want to start eliminating choices from. So we're just going to go ahead and eliminate choices. That way, every time somebody hits submit, if they chose Hawaii, it's gone. The next person can't choose Hawaii. Now here's the thing. Maybe I wanted up to 3 people to be able to move to Hawaii. So I'd use these choice options. Check this out. So you can see once you hit that little choice options, you get all of your choices here. And you can say, hey, Hawaii, I want Hawaii to be able to be selected 3 times before it's eliminated, right? Or I want to move it around inside of the form. Or maybe you've already had several people select Hawaii and it's been eliminated, and you go to these choice options and you go, hey, restore choices. That's where this whole thing kind of gets operated on, is right here inside choice options. And there you go. Once you're all done creating your eliminating your choices and setting any settings you want to set, you just close it out and it will engage. Let's take a look at it. So I'm going to jump into the form. I'm going to say my name is John, my email address is whatever, and I'm going to say, where would I like to go? I'd like to go to Alaska. It says Montgomery is the state. So there you go. It is now submitted that. And this time my name will be Jeff. And let's say Jeff wants to go to Alaska too, but he hits next and he drops down here and Alaska's gone because somebody already selected Alaska. So this guy's going to move to Colorado and he's going to hit submit. And the next guy's going to come in. Sometimes it takes a minute for it to work, so I'll just do a quick refresh. Say this guy's name is Steve. And Steve is going to move to, he wants to move to Colorado because that sounds like a great place, but Colorado's already been taken, so he's moved to Connecticut, and so on, and so on, and so on. And that is how that works. So if you want to refresh, there's some pretty easy ways to do it, right? You go back in after you've dropped in a bunch of data, go back into Choice Eliminator, go back into Configure, and you can go in to this little refresh icon here, right? Refresh or restore all choices, and we'll get all of our choices back. And the next person that goes in can then go to Alaska and Colorado. Okay, I hope that helps.